a job we did this week was to pinch off the tops of the broad beans, which discourages the black flies and also encourages the plant to put energy into the producing nice big pods rather than continuing to grow upwards. So we pinched off the tops, the very tops of each broad bean, and rather than that going to waste, they are edible. They can be eaten raw in salads. They taste a little bit like broad beans really, or they can be cooked up as well as greens and used in various dishes, wherever you use greens really. So rather than waste them, wash them and cook them. So I've cooked down about half of the broad bean tops, added it into some chopped garlic and red onion, and that's going to go into a spaghetti bake. So for one crop of broad beans you get not only broad beans, but you also get some greens.